In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Rockstar error where it says we couldn't create a sign-in token. So if you're getting this message when trying to log in or launch GTA 5, then this method should fix it for you. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to the GTA 5 game directory on your PC. So just open File Explorer and navigate to where GTA 5 is installed. In most cases, it's going to be under Program Files or wherever you installed it through Rockstar or Steam. Now, once you're inside the GTA 5 folder, what you want to do is right-click anywhere in the empty space, then go to New and click Text Document. Now, you want to rename this text document to Command Line, exactly like that, and make sure it does not end with .txt, so it should just say Command Line. Now, once you've renamed it, just double-click on it to open it, and inside this file, you want to type exactly this. SC Online Only. You'll find the command in the description. Now, make sure it's typed correctly with no extra spaces before or after. Then once that's done, just click on File at the top and click Save, and then close the file. Now, after that, the next thing you want to do is restart your computer. This step is important, so make sure you do restart it. And once your PC boots back up, just launch Rockstar or GTA 5 again and try signing in. At this point, the sign-in token error should be gone, and you should be able to log in without any issues. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.